Hi everyone, today we are diving into the fascinating world of constraints. Constraints are like magic glue that hold design in the place. They let us do cool things like sticking navigation to specific corners, creating a visual appealing responsive designs. So let me show you. I have this page called my account, and if I stretch this, as you can see, everything stays together. It does not get messed up. So we made this using constraints. So let me undo this. Now imagine the possibilities. We will even throw a dash of auto lever towards the end of the course, creating design symphony that might just make your design explode. Exciting, right? So let's embark on this constraints extravaganza. Okay, so I copy pasted this navigation bar as well as this navigation bar from our previous designs, and it does not have adjusted constraint. It have constraint by default, but it does not have adjusted constraint. It will be helpful when, let's say, we want to design same thing for like a website, for an iPad. So that time it is going to help. So let me take a frame. In that I'm gonna choose a iPad 12 like this one, and I want to copy this thing with an iPad, and it has to be fit exactly like this. So in this case we can use constraint. So let me show you one thing. So if I draw a rectangle like this, as you can see in design panel, the constraints are left and top. So constraints always there, and by default elements are constrained to the top and left, but we want more control. Let's start with this navigation bar. Okay, so let me do the first thing with this one. So we will just copy and paste it over, so it will work fine. So now if I stretch it, as you can see, this is totally messed up, and it is also messed up over here as well. So now we will do some constraint. Okay, so let me choose this rectangle first. So we are going to fix this first one. Okay, so this is a rectangle and currently it is center. So I'm going to adjust it into left to right, and you have to be top, on the top. And for this burger menu, you have to be on the left and top. This is perfect. And for the search icon, left and top, it is also good. You have to be on center. Okay, center, and this has to be into center. And for mic, right and top. Okay, right and top is perfect. And for this, right and top. And let me take this one. Okay, this one has left and top, but I want left to right on the top. Now if I stretch this, it will work. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. And we are gonna do same with this as well. So let me do this one. This is gonna be left and bottom. You supposed to be left and bottom. You supposed to be in center, and you too, bro. You to be in center, and you to have to be right and bottom, right and bottom, and this rectangle has to be left to right. But if I select center, so if I stretch it, as you can see, it is totally messed up. It does not stretch. I don't know why it is stretching, but it does not stretch. So let me add the left and right, and it has to be bottom. And now let me choose this, and as you can see, if I extract, the bar is also extracting, but I don't know what is going on this one, bro. What is happening with you? Okay, I kept the left right. It has to be in center. Okay, now it will work. Okay, now if I choose this, if I stretch this, okay, so it is working totally fine. Now I can just copy this one and paste it over here. So as you can see, it is not stretching, but I can just do this and it is stretching perfectly. And same with this one. I can hold Alt, drag it like this. Okay, so it is not frame rate. So let me make a frame selection. And if I copy this, and I can just stretch it like this, and I can use it. But as you can see, there is one problem. The icons that are going towards totally right and left, they are not staying in the middle. But if I do same thing over here, it is not working. I know, because I made it into frame. But if I undo this, and if I ungroup this one, and now if I stretch this, as you can see, it is working. I don't know what is happening over here. I guess with frames it does not work the way which we wanted, and I will fix that. Don't worry, I will fix that and update in next video. Okay, so there is one another thing I want to show you. Like with constraints, we get these dotted lines. As you can see, it is present over here as well as over here. So it is for left and right, as you can see, left and right, and this one is the bottom. So remember, these lines are nothing but constraint lines. Okay, so these are all about constraints. We made this stretchy navigation bar for our mobile as well as for iPad. I know it is a bit confusing, but you will get used to it. Just play with it, play with the constraint and left and right, all that. So you will get it. In next video, we are combining auto layout with constraints. So I think it's gonna be on another level. So now you might be tempted to create complex layout like iPad example. But hold on that thought. It is a bit much for now. We will explore more example together in the next video. So where will we mix auto layout constraints in real world scenario? It's challenging but it's good stuff. So see you in the next video and let's keep exploring this design magic.